Hey guys, welcome back. In this channel, we make programming easy, and today we will learn about anchor tags in HTML. What are anchor elements? Anchor elements in HTML are used to create hyperlinks that link to other web pages, files, or locations within the same page. A hyperlink is a clickable element in a website that directs users to another location. To write an anchor element, we must first write the open tag, then the close tag, and finally our text within the two tags. Our text is what is going to show up on our website. If our text is Google, then Google will show up, okay? We must write our open tag first. Inside a set of angle brackets, write the letter A lowercase. Then write href short for hypertext reference, followed by an equal sign and a set of quotes. Inside the quotes is where we will write our URL address. Notice how we wrote href inside the angle brackets after the letter A. Make sure to write your text inside the angle brackets and not in between the tags. We only write our text in between the tags. Let's say that we are trying to create a hyperlink that will direct us to the Google homepage. We can start by writing our hyperlink text. Let's write Google between the two tags. It doesn't have to be Google, it can be anything. Outcode will run just fine, but for my example, I will use Google. After setting our text, we must write the URL inside the quotation marks. There, now we have our URL. When writing a URL inside of an anchor tag in HTML, make sure to precede your link with HTTPS. Including HTTPS in anchor tags ensures a secure, encrypted connection for users. Otherwise, your code may not work. We are finally done with our open tag. Of course, don't forget to write your closing tag with a / in front of the A keyword, and also make sure to write your hyperlink text. And we are done. I have the same code in VS Code, and if we run this, we can see your hyperlink, and if we click on it, it takes us to the Google homepage. That's it for today's video. Like and subscribe to help the channel, and thanks for watching.